to How to Google, quick video showing you how to change the margins in a Google Doc. You are going to go to your Google document, obviously the one that you want to adjust the margins on. In the top left, you're going to go to the File menu, and from there you're going to go to the Page Setup, very near the bottom of the list. So you'll click Page Setup, and that's going to open up a dialog box. On the right-hand side, you'll see there's 4 boxes, and those are your margins. So you've got your top, bottom, left, and right margin, and you can adjust those as desired. You can also adjust here your paper size. If it's a legal size, often people need to change it to legal, or letter. So there you would adjust your margins. So let's go ahead and put a 4-inch margin on there just so we can see it. And we'll do 2.5 inches on the left and the right just to see how it changes. Click it, and wow, look at that. So we've pushed it all the way down. We've got a 4-inch margin and a 2.5-inch margin on this document here. That is how to change the margins on your Google Docs. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.